So back again with some more cases for the 15 Pro Max. So let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here I am back with some of the Otterbox Symmetry cases, but these are the new Cactus Leather cases. So I thought I need to pick these up, check these out, because I've always liked an Otterbox case and this makes no exception. Although I will say I picked these up on Amazon and these two have come in packaging and this one has come in a bag, so I would hate to think this is a used case because I will not be happy. Not that it really makes much of a difference because the packaging is recyclable cardboard, I suppose, but yeah. This is a Cactus leather case, so this isn't gonna, it'll have the characteristics of leather, but it won't like age and patina and the way leather does. It'll just look the way it does, to be honest. Let's just check these out. First impressions then, so I picked up the black, the purple and the green. The other one was brown and I didn't really like the look of it, so I didn't pick it up. So sorry brown fans, but so first impressions then, so we've got our Cactus leather which goes all the way around the case. It is complete full bumper case as well, which is good. It's my style of case, that's what I like to see. On the inside we have like a felt lining as well, so it will not mark up the back of your phone. Otterbox's branding as well, and we do have our Magsafe ring, but it doesn't look like there's a guidance magnet there, so we'll just use a wee bit of magnet paper here. And yeah, there is a guidance magnet there, which is pretty good, so that should hopefully leave it with a bit more magnetic strength, I suppose. But yeah, so that is it. We've got also metal buttons here, which is good, and the camera guard is metal as well, so that's a good touch considering that it's colored on all of these, so I like that. So first up, let's just weigh these cases. 38 grams. So for a leather case, metal buttons and a metal guard, that's pretty decent to be fair. Yeah, 38 grams. The green one's weighing at 36 grams. So there you go. Green is 2 grams lighter. So my 15 Pro Max is blue, so we'll just pop it into the black case to start with, and we'll just see how we go. So Otterbox don't seem to do the little magnetic things that the Apple cases used to give you your reanimation. The Otterbox cases used to do that. These ones don't seem to do it. That's the blue phone in the black case, and the grey, it's like a metallic grey, so it kind of goes well with the blue iPhone. And then on the side, then we've got our Otterbox branding, which is nice and subtle. And we'll just check the buttons. Clicky, tactile, responsive. Action button there works with no issues. That's what you want to see. So we'll just do the fitment test then. So we'll just take the corners of the phone, we'll give it a twist, and the phone doesn't move, it doesn't pop out of the case there. That's what you want to see. That's really good. I'm quite impressed with that. Of course then, if we just look at the screen lip, so the lip does come up around the phone and it is all the way around all edges, which is pretty consistent. So you set that down flat, you are going to get good lift up protection. That's what you want to see. And then if we look at the camera guard then, so the lenses don't protrude out and it is a metal camera guard, so you are going to get that protection. If you set your phone down flat, it is going to protect those camera lenses. That's also what you want. That is really, really good. Ticking all the box so far. It's Cactus leather, so it does have that leather texture and it does feel grippy, I will be honest, and it does feel really, really good. I've tested a lot of leather cases and I will say this one is decent. It is good and I can't fault that at all. Full bumper case. We've got our cutouts then for our USB-C and our speakers as well. So yeah, it is very, very nice and it does feel really nice in your hand. It is Magsafe compatible, so we can do a Magsafe test. So we'll just get our trusty Magsafe stand. And it's been a while since I've had an Otterbox case, so I'm hoping that the magnets are decent. So let's just check it out. So, oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, it takes a good jolt to knock that off. So that's pretty good. If you have that in a car mount, that's not going to fall off, and it's taking the full weight of that stand as well. Perfect. That is what you want, and it hasn't marked up the back either, so I suppose that'll give you an indication then as to just how hard wearing it'll be as well. That's a good sign. So yeah, that is very, very nice. And to be honest, I actually found these pretty cheap on Amazon. I found these in around the £35 mark on Amazon, which I thought was pretty good. So yeah, I mean, it's not bad value. Metal buttons, you've got that good leather texture, and it does feel like a really good case. So yeah, I must say I do like that. So we'll quickly just try the other colors. Apologies for the brown fans. I just didn't dig the brown, so I didn't pick the brown up. But there's the green. Again, doesn't look massively out of place with the blue iPhone. Buttons, consistent. Yep, that's really good. There we go. I'll just check. Yep, magnets are, yep, pretty consistent. That's what you want to see. We'll pop the purple case on, and again, that's it with the blue iPhone. The buttons, yeah, no issues there, not a problem. And of course then we'll just, yeah, Magsafe is really consistent there on these cases. Yeah, to be honest, can't fault this at all. If I were to give a bit of feedback, I would have liked to have seen a blue, just because of the blue phone. But I can't really fault that at all. Great feeling case, great grip, great camera guard, great metal buttons, and from what I found on Amazon, really, really good price. So yeah, what do you guys think of the Cactus Leather from Otterbox? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I'll leave you affiliate links to where I picked these up on Amazon. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more down-to-earth tech review and accessories coming for you. If you do like some down-to-earth tech videos, you know where to come. Until the next one, I'll catch you later. Yeah, baby.